Okay, so I have this mystery philodendron. I bought this at a garden center. It's looking a little rough around the edges. You can see the leaves have gotten a little sunburned. But what I want to do is I want to get it out of this pot and I want to plant it into some of this accuser pond. I've been switching all my indoor plants over to this. I have asked people online if they could help me identify which type of philodendron this is. I don't exactly know. Oh wow, look at those roots. Look at that. Beautiful. I love that color. All right, so I'm gonna get this in this bag. This bag is biodegradable, and just gonna work around with my hands, teasing off that substrate, because I want to get all the substrate off of this philodendron so I can repot it into a really large pot. That's just right off the camera. And I really enjoy doing this. I have been having really wonderful success with switching over my indoor plants to semi-hydroponics. And I am loving it because those pots, I've been using a lot of the accuser pond pots. They have those little meters in it to let me know exactly how much water is in each pot. Boy, this was big. I probably should have did this one outside. But substrate's coming off pretty well. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm glad I had this towel down. There's gonna be quite a bit of cleanup when I'm done. This is a really nice roots on here. Just working, just getting all this off. There we go. This one, I don't normally wash them off. I might actually wash this off just to get more of this substrate off of here. So these roots will be encouraged to kind of transition. Get down in there, get down in there. There we go. There we go. Again, if you know what type of philodendron this is, drop it in the comments and let me know. I really like to identify it, but it doesn't really matter. I know it is a philodendron, I know it is beautiful, and I know it is now part of our collection. I think I will actually go take this outside and rinse it off. I'm gonna go outside, be right back. Okay, so rinse this off outside. I love this root color. Look how burgundy and beautiful and red this root color is. Anyways, going into this pot, all accuser pond in here. You want to know what happened? The dog got hold of it. No lie, the dog. So I think it'll still work as a float. But yeah, the dog. I don't know why she'd want to attack the pot, but it offended her in some way. And there you go. Set this in, kind of spread the roots out. Actually have a bed of pond already in place. And then just kind of fill back in around the roots. I really enjoy working with this material. It's reusable, and it really has been great for me in what I've been trying to do with my indoor plants. I am not as well versed with indoor plants as I am with outdoor plants, but I'm really enjoying being on the journey of learning more about indoor plants and really adding to a great collection. I've always had indoor plants, and I'm kind of increasing my knowledge in that area now, adding in a lot of new plants, and it gives me a lot of variety because in the summer months I can work with a lot more outdoor plants, and in the fall, even to the spring, getting my outdoor plants on. But year round, the indoor plants are able to deliver something really beautiful to you. This is a really big pot. It's going to take almost all of the pond that I have in this bag. But it's going to be so beautiful when this is done. There we go. And as a growth substrate, pond is so great because there already is a bit of fertilizer in here, so I don't have to immediately start the fertilizer. I think about 4 months worth of fertilizer in here. And I have this pot, self-watering pot now. Look at that. That is sturdily in place. Wonderfully beautiful. I love the coloration. Now I'm going to get it set in a wonderful location to where I won't have to worry about it getting sunburned. And I apologize to the plant for sunburning it. So I'm going to put it in the rotation. There we go. There we go. It's perfect. This is going to be a heavy pot. Okay, this looks good. I like it in this pot. I think it's going to be really beautiful. It's also going to be very heavy. But let's go get it in place, and hopefully the dog will stay away from it now. Hey, if you like this content, be sure to like and subscribe.